It's time to make sure we can keep everyone cool during the hot weather, and that calls for an air conditioning tune-up. Here to make sure we're ready to go is Rob Wenzel from Novak Heating and Cooling. Rob, thanks for joining us today. Why is a maintenance checkup so important?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Pete. So seasonally, it's definitely a good idea to go through your cooling system, your outside condenser and the inside components to that system. You definitely want to make sure things are clean and operating efficiently.
Is there a better time of the year to have this routine maintenance?
Typically any time during the summer months, it's good to have somebody come out and have a professional go through the system and make sure it's working properly for you.
Are there things that you're looking for when you come out?
Yeah, so there's several things. We want to make sure that the system's clean and not dirty. The fins and coils are clean and unobstructed. You want to make sure there's no landscaping or things like that around the unit. Typically about a foot around it is generally a good practice to keep it clean. That way the system's going to breathe properly for you and cool the system, cool your home right.
How about the homeowner spraying it down with the hose early in the spring?
You can definitely use a very low pressure. When our technicians come out, we do a little more pressure with it. We also have a cleaner that we can put in there to get them really good and clean. If you want to do that, you can. Just be very careful to use a low pressure setting.
One of the things in a checkup, you're making sure the systems function efficiently, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. So we're going to hook our gauges to that system. We're going to make sure that everything is, the pressures are right, the temperature readings are right, that it's properly charged, and also the system is functioning properly. There's no internal components that are going bad on you.
Are there things that you recommend homeowners do during the season to look out for their AC?
Yeah, certainly check your filters, make sure they're clean and flowing properly. A clean filter is going to help that air move through your home more efficiently.
We often talk about that during the heating season, but filter during the AC season as well.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, in the summertime, your system still uses your ductwork, and that air is going to flow through your home, and so that filter is a vital component.
How about the cost for a routine maintenance checkup?
You know, it does vary a little bit. You know, you can always give us a call for our latest pricing. Typically an air conditioning tune-up, you might be around the $150 range. Sometimes there's a bundle package where you could do, you know, your air conditioner and a furnace tune-up as well. That could be around the $200 to $250 range.
That expense can save us dollars in the long run, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So you're going to catch problems before they happen, catch something before you have a major failure, and typically that happens on the hottest day of the year at 7 o'clock at night.
Yeah, been there. Rob, thank you for, again, giving us some really good ideas and your perspective and expertise on our AC checkup. And if you'd like more cooling considerations for your PowerHouse, visit PowerHouseTV.com and AlliantEnergy.com.